this is cabbage. These are the vegetables I'm going to use. I've cut them into small pieces. I'm going to fry them. It's quite different. I'm going to use my leftovers, which are matoke. These are my small chapatis. And these are the vegetables I'm going to use. So, this is the small chapati. It's here.
So you put the vegetables?
Yes.
You put the matoke in the middle?
Yes. And then I cover like this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then I take it in my saucepan for frying.
Ooh. So you never wanted to lose
my leftovers. I never wanted. I felt bad. So I decided to use it in these pies.
Okay. What is that in the basket?
Oh, these are mushrooms.
Okay.
Which we have harvested today.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let's go and serve breakfast. I love it. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, I think it's delicious.
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Welcome.